Here are the top 5 popular lechon manok brands in the Philippines. 1. Chooks to Go. The most famous with almost 2,000 branches nationwide. Known for its tasty flavor even without sauce. 2. Baliwag Lechon Manok. Has around 350 branches. It's a favorite for many, especially during celebrations. 3. Andox Litson Manok. Approximately 300 branches across the country. Famous for its smoky skin and juicy meat. 4. Uling Roasters. Also has 200 plus branches. Not as popular, but still a decent choice. 5. Ang Lechon Manok ni Señor Pedro. Has over 200 branches. Praised for its freshness and size.